In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train an AI chatbot using your Notion knowledge base. Before you connect anything, the first thing you want to do is prepare the Notion pages or knowledge base that you want the AI to learn from. This part matters more than people think because the quality of the AI's answers will depend heavily on the quality of the information you give it. Go through your pages and make sure the content is relevant, accurate, and written in a way that is easy to understand. Next, organize the information clearly before connecting it. Try to keep related topics grouped together. Use clear page titles and remove outdated or duplicate content if needed. A well structured knowledge base helps the AI interpret your information more effectively, and it also makes future updates much easier. If your Notion workspace is messy, the AI may still process it, but the answers might be less consistent or less useful. Once your content is ready, open the AI chatbot or tool that you want to train. Different platforms may look a little different, but the general process is usually similar. You'll typically find an area for data sources, knowledge connections, or integrations. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right section before moving on. From there, connect the tool to your Notion workspace or database. This is the step where you link your Notion content so the AI can use it as a reference. Depending on the platform, you may be asked to sign in to Notion and approve the connection directly. After that, give the tool permission to access the correct pages. This step is important because you don't want the AI pulling from the wrong content, and you also don't want to grant broader access than necessary. Be intentional about which pages or databases you select so the chatbot focuses only on the information you actually want it to use. Once access is set up, let the AI process the Notion content. This may take a little time depending on how much information you have. During this stage, the tool is indexing or analyzing your content so it can respond based on that knowledge later. When processing is complete, test the AI by asking questions based on your Notion data. Start with simple questions, then try more specific ones to see how well it understands your content. This helps you quickly spot gaps, unclear wording, or missing information in your knowledge base. Finally, update your Notion knowledge base whenever information changes. Keeping your content current is essential if you want the AI to stay reliable over time. The better maintained your Notion pages are, the better your chatbot will perform.